Hello my dear students. Today we will learn how to construct an angle using compasses and ruler. So first we will make an angle of 60 degree. For this you will draw a ray. Draw a ray first using ruler and highlight this point. Now open your compass to some extent. Any measure you can take, right? You can take this measure, suppose. Now place your compass tip at this point and draw a semicircle. So I have drawn a semicircle here. Right? Now you will point your compass at this point now, where this semicircle is cutting the ray. At this point, the distance of the compass and pencil should be same throughout, right? Again, I am pointing my compass here at this point and draw an arc to cut this semicircle. Right, now join the point by this point you got after cutting the arc. Now join these 2 points and you will get an angle of 60 degree. This is angle of 60 degree and you can name it angle A, B, C is 60 degree. Now we will make an angle of 120 degree. Again you will draw a ray. First step is same. Draw a ray first. Highlight this end point. Open your compass to some extent and draw a semicircle. Again, this step is same. Draw a semicircle to cut this ray. Now at this point you will keep your compass point. Draw an arc to cut this semicircle. Now you know that this is the arc for 60 degree and 120 degree is the double of 60 degree, right? So we will cut an arc again one more time by keeping our compass point now at this point. As 120 is double of 60, so we will draw arc 2 times of same measure. Now this is the arc for 120 degree and join this with your ray end point. You will get an angle of 60 degree. Sorry, 120 degree. This is angle of 120 degree. You can name it by capital letters. Angle PQR is angle PQR is 120 degree. Right? Next we will make an angle of 90 degree now. First step is again same. Draw a ray. Highlight the end point of the ray. Open your compass to some extent again. Draw a semicircle by keeping your compass point at this point. Right? Again, first draw an arc for 60 degree. Repeat the process again at this point where the semicircle is cutting the ray. Draw an arc for 60 degree. Again, keeping your compass point at this point. Draw an arc for 120 degree. Now you know very well 90 degree lies exactly between 60 degree and 120 degree. So we will bisect the angle by keeping our compass point at 60 degree and 120 degree point. Right? So as you have drawn this arc of 120 degree, by keeping your compass point at here only, draw an arc above here, above the semicircle, like this. Now keep your compass point at this point. Firstly, you will keep the compass point here, second time here, and third time here. Right, now I am keeping the compass point at 120-degree arc and bisect it. This is the point for 90-degree. Now join this point by the end point of the ray. You will get an angle of 90-degree. You can name it as angle X, Y, Z. So angle X, Y, Z is 90-degree. Right? Now we will make an angle of 45-degree. Right? And you know that 45-degree is half of 90-degree. Right? So we will bisect the angle of 90-degree here. So we will make an angle of 90-degree first, and then we will bisect it. Okay. So firstly we will make an angle of 90-degree. Right? Draw a ray again. These steps we have done as we have made an angle of 90-degree already. I am repeating the process of making the angle of 90-degree. Draw a semicircle, right? Keeping your compass point here, draw an arc of 60-degree. Keeping your compass point now here, draw an arc of 120-degree and bisect. Here, now keep your compass point at 120-degree arc and cut the arc to get the point. So this is our 90-degree angle. Right? Now we will bisect this angle. And how will we bisect it? To bisect an angle, we will keep our compass point at the arms of the angle where the semicircle is cutting. The arms. Right? That means here semicircle is cutting at this point, this arm, and at this arm of the angle semicircle is cutting at this point. So we will keep our compass point at these points now and will bisect. How will we bisect? We open our compass greater than the half of this method, and now draw an arc here like this and from this point. Now I will keep the compass point at this point and cut this arc to get a point. Now join these 2 points. You will get the angle of 45-degree. Now this is angle of 45-degree, right? And we can name it as, say, PQR. That means angle PQR is 45-degree. You can measure it using protractor. You can confirm, you can verify that you have made correct angle or not. Right? Yes, this is 45-degree, between 40 and 50. Okay. Now next, in 5th, we will construct an angle of 30-degree using compasses and ruler. Now draw a ray again, highlight this point, open your compass to some extent and draw a semicircle by keeping the compass point at this point. So this is the semicircle. Now keep your compass at this point. Now see, you know that 30-degree is a half of 60-degree. So now we will bisect an angle of 60-degree to get 30-degree angle. So first of all we will make an angle of 60-degree. So after drawing the semicircle, keep your compass point here and draw the arc for 60-degree. Right, now we will bisect the angle of 60-degree. Right, so we will keep our compass point first at this point, second at this point, right, where the semicircle is cutting the arcs. You can open your compass of any radius greater than the half and bisect. Keeping your compass point at this point only, draw an arc again. Right? Now keep your compass point at this point and cut this arc, right? It is not necessary that you have to open your compass at greater than the half. You can draw the arc by keeping this distance only, right? One time at this point and one time at this point. So you get a point and join these 2 points. You will get the angle of 30 degrees. You can name it, say ABC, angle ABC, right? This is 30 degrees. Now at last we will construct an angle of 180 degree. Right? For this again you will draw a ray. Keep your compass point at this end point of the ray. Open your compass to some extent and keep at this point and draw a semicircle, right? Now, you know that 180 degree is 3 times of 60 degree. So, we will cut the arcs now 3 times. Like as in 120 we have cut the arcs 2 times, in 180 degree we will cut 3 times. So at one time we will place the compass point at this point. Okay, the distance should be same, right? Compass point at this point, cut the arc for 60 degree. Now at second time keep the compass point at this point, the second point, cut the arc for 120 degree. Now at last keep your compass point at the third point and cut the arc again on this semicircle only. You will get the arc for 120 degree. Now join your end point of the ray with this point you get, right? You will get the angle of 180 degree, right? So this is, you can take the name of the angle PQR. So angle PQR is 180 degree, right? You know that 180 degree is a straight angle, right? Okay, one more angle we will discuss, that is 22:1/2 degrees, right? You know that this angle is half of 45 degree, right? So for that we need to make an angle of 45 degree first. I have made here 90 degree angle. In order to get 45 degree, we will bisect the angle of 90 degree. That means place your compass point at this point and bisect like we have done before, right?
So open your compass of any radius and bisect.
At this point and at this point we will get the angle of 45 degree. So join these 2 points. This is 45 degree, right? Now we will bisect one more time. Now we will bisect 45 degree by keeping our compass point at this point and this point, the arms of the angle where the semicircle is cutting these, right? Either at these 2 points. So open your compass. I can take greater than the half. At this point you will keep your compass point, right? And draw an arc. This, and one more time keep your compass point at this point now and cut this arc to get a point. Now join this point with the end point of the ray. You will get an angle of 22.5 degrees. This is your required angle. 22:1/2 degrees. You can name this angle as MON by any capital letters, right? Angle MON is 22.5 degree or 22:1/2 degree. So that's it. I hope you understood all these angles very well. Goodbye. Take care.